Mary, the manager wants to see us right now.
Why? Did something happen?
A customer wrote a bad review online about our pasta.
Oh no, what did they say?
They said the pasta was undercooked and the sauce was bland.
That's serious. We need to respond to this review.
Yes, but first, let's check what happened yesterday.
I remember that table. The customer ordered at 8:45 p.m.
That's almost closing time. Maybe the kitchen was rushing.
You're right. The chef was trading a new cook that night.
Should we offer the customer a free meal?
I think that's a good idea. It shows we care.
Okay, I'll write a polite response to the review now.
Make sure you apologize and explain what we'll do better.
Dear customer, we sincerely apologize for your experience.
Good start. Now mention the free meal invitation.
We would like to invite you back for a complimentary dinner.
Perfect. Also say we talked to our kitchen team.
We have discussed this with our chef to improve our service.
Excellent, John. Send it now.
Done. I hope the customer gives us another chance.
Me too. Let's also talk to the chef about quality control.
Agreed. Every dish must be perfect, even at closing time.
Exactly. Our reputation depends on it.